Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and checking physical connections. You want the SSD fully seated and the cable swapped to rule out a faulty lead. Next, boot into BIOS or UEFI and verify the controller mode. ASI for SATA, proper NVMe settings for M. 2. Because incorrect mode hides the device. Once done, confirm the drive appears in the firmware list. If it does not, try another port or an external adapter to separate hardware faults from software issues. Once the firmware sees the SSD, boot the OS and open Disk Management, Windows, or Disk Utility, Mac OS, to inspect the device. Hidden, uninitialized, or raw states are common culprits. If the disk is uninitialized, initialize it, create a partition table, GPT for modern systems, format with the appropriate file system, and assign a drive letter or mount point. Make sure to run smart or vendor diagnostic software to confirm the drive's health. If it reports errors, note them before proceeding to deeper fixes. Finish by updating chipset drivers, motherboard firmware, and the SSD's firmware. Compatibility fixes often resolve detection issues. If updates don't help, reseat the drive and test it in another computer or via a USB enclosure to isolate the problem to system or drive. If the SSD remains undetected, perform a secure erase only if you don't need data. Otherwise, prepare for RMA or professional recovery, because persistent no detect plus diagnostics failures usually indicate hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.